Remove the opening tool. Penetrates into the fiber optic cable to stripping pliers benchmarking end. Holding clamp handle. Pull out the cable. Check the fiber is damaged. The cable sheath incision close in retaining surface. Close the guide stripper. Pull out the cable. Check the fiber is damaged. Clean with alcohol fiber. Open guide stripper. The cable cut closed baffle. Together into the cutter groove. Cutting bare fiber length, 10.5 millimeters. Be careful when penetrated into the optical fiber. Cable sheath incision to the top of the limiting bar. Wear fiber in place while the pressure cover locking the cable sheath. Pressed amber box cover. Removed dust cap. Clean the fiber and face. Put on the dust cap. Shell. A fiber finish quickly end. Below is a decomposition demonstration. Against the dust cap back shell. The opening tool pushing the box cover. Open and push side.